Video. I'm starting my vlog right now. I'm outside.
The racks on me, bad bitch, one back, and you know she stole.
I'm about to make a. Oh my gosh. Alright. I just slipped on some ice. Thinking if I should take that out. It's gonna be so funny when I replay this and watch this. Because I just slipped on some ice and fell. So I'm gonna keep that in there. I need to watch out though. Alright, y'all. Look. See this little weird dog like to follow me. I don't like that right there because that dog's scared though, low key. That dog low key scared of me, so that boy was trying to chase me, bro. Get him, bro. Alright. There's the car right now, so I gotta end this way.
What's up, bro?
Nothing. Hey, just y'all. What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? And I'm back again with another video because I dropped videos. I haven't posted in 2 or 3 days. I haven't been keeping count, but I actually been doing something else for my channel.
What are you doing on your channel?
Alright. So I had to make another vlog. My snow challenge got almost 20 views, I think. I don't know. Thanks for everybody who watched that. I got freaking 28 subscribers. Nothing to bark about. Got a haircut, as y'all can see, y'all know me. Got hair. So I'm mad right now. Now you know what I'm doing. Like I'm brainstorming about what should I make this video call right now. Cause I'm gonna do something in here. Like something, yeah. The refrigerator light went out. I'm gonna show y'all this right here. Our refrigerator light went out. Y'all can see it's open. Our refrigerator light went out. It went out. As you know, gonna get me some good food. Gonna eat some food. Gonna get me some food. Ooh, give me some food. That's crazy though. Ooh, sorry about that. I don't know how my lighting is. If it's trash, I don't know. This ain't nothing about my lighting. Probably good. But still, this ain't nothing about my lighting. Look at what I'm making here. I'm making this right here. Put it in there. Put it, oh, y'all can't even see that. Y'all can't see that anyway, so I need to open it. Blinds up. Better lighting? Better? Alright. Put those on A. And I got me some Vans waffles. Y'all want to see those? It's great. Hold up, sorry about how my camera going. But I got me some Vans waffles, son. You go where it go. I got Vans waffles. Vans waffles. Free cinnamon. What did you say? Apple cinnamon? Well, alright. So I got 4 of them when it should be only 3. Y'all love these things. I love these things too. Just got off of school. Currently is 5:18. I just got done. As y'all seen when I fell. That was funny. Y'all didn't know how I have it. I don't want to make this video too long and too short. Cut to the chase, basically, so I can end this and make another video tomorrow. I don't want to make it too long like my guac challenge in my other video. It was kind of long, so I'm just gonna cut the bull crap and get on to doing something tomorrow. So see y'all later. Just had to post because I haven't posted in a long time. Gang, just want to show y'all that.
I ain't going outside today. Tryna hide from the camera. I ain't going outside today.